Hello peeps, Mr. ATC as always back to you for another idea of housing throughout recycling. And today I'm gonna show you a very quick project, especially if you have a farm at home. I'm gonna show you how to create a pallet goat feeder, so it can be easy for you to feed your goat even inside. Alright, let's take a look. As you can see, one of the first things I will start doing is dismantling some of the pallet wood I have for this project. As I will need only some wooden slats, here I'm removing all the different blocks in order to have at the end only the wooden slat. Then, when they are all collected, it's time for me to remove the different nails using my small hammer. Then here I am with all the different wooden slats ready to be used. So now the first thing I will make are the two different panels going on each side of this feeder. And to create it, I will use here 4 pieces of wooden slats, then 2 other pieces that I will be cutting to size in order to attach the different wooden slats together. And as you may have seen it, here I've been using my miter saw. Then I will be attaching them to the long wooden slat using some long screw measuring 4 cm long. Then I'm repeating the same process for the other panel as well. And here we are with both of them ready to be used. Now I will go again to my miter saw. First, of course, taking the measurements to go to the miter saw in order to cut some of the slats that I will use to create the rest of the design. So as you can see here, one of the goals for me will be to attach together the panels that I've created, and for this I will be using some long wooden slats, 2 on top and also 2 at the bottom. Then now it's time for me to place it well in order to add one of the piece of wood going at the bottom in the middle. Then I'm moving on with the rest of the slat. One will be attached to the slat at the bottom in the middle, and the other one on top, as you can see here. Then I'm adding some grass for the goat, and you will be able to see that they already love it. As always, a very simple project using pallet wood, a goat feeder. As you can see, very simple, especially when you have a farm and when you are having animals at home. It can be easy for you to take some grass and put inside for them in order to feed them. That was a very quick project for today. Mr. ATC, as always, for you for another idea of housing.